New England had a blizzard so bad, people abandoned their cars on the highway, kids missed school for a week, and the entire region just stopped. It was the blizzard of '78, and everyone here has a story. Follow New England true, for the moments that froze this region in time. Monday morning, February 6th, 1978. Forecasts called for a weak storm. Nothing serious. Snow started around 7 in the morning. People went to work. Kids went to school. Nobody panicked. Then it never stopped. Snow fell for 33 straight hours. Winds howled. Visibility vanished. By afternoon, it was already too late to drive. Route 128 turned into a frozen parking lot. Over 3,000 cars and 500 trucks were stranded along an 8-mile stretch. People sat inside their vehicles for hours, some overnight, waiting for rescue. 14 people on Route 128 died from carbon monoxide poisoning while trying to stay warm. Boston recorded over 27 inches of snow. Drifts reached 15 feet high. Massachusetts shut down for days. Schools closed for a full week. Kids sledded off second-floor windows. Snow forts towered over adults. Mail stopped. The mail always gets delivered. Coastal flooding forced 10,000 people into shelters. 4 consecutive high tides swept homes into the ocean. 11,000 houses were damaged or destroyed. 29 people in Massachusetts died. Damage topped $1 billion. The National Guard rolled tanks onto highways. Doctors reached patients on skis. 47 years later, people still say the same thing. You never forget where you were during the blizzard of '78.